In this video, we're going to show you the Black Diamond trading system. This powerful yet easy to use set of indicators will work on both the MetaTrader and the TradeStation platform. Now keep in mind that this system will work on any symbol, any time frame. If you're trading the Forex, the futures, stocks, commodities, 10-minute, 20-minute, 60-minute, daily, weekly bars, whatever you're trading, it's going to work. It's going to look like and function the same way. So without further delay, let me show you some examples of how you might trade this system. Here I've got the E-mini S&P on a 10-minute chart. Here's an initial move down. You've got your Black Diamond Trader trend indicator signifying a down move. You've got bearish here with the red. Market sentiment is red. You've got your trend strength red and increasing, showing that you've got an increasing down move here. So you could have really taken a short entry right here on this day at 9:05 and ridden it down a good 10, 12 points for a phenomenal move. Now, if you're a little bit more conservative and you want to wait for a secondary entry, this is how these secondary entries would work. On the close of this bar here, this dot would have appeared even before the price moved up and hit that dot. So you could have put a limit order right there, or maybe even a couple ticks below it if you really want to get filled on this order. You put your limit entry there, and your stop losses would go above these dots, the most recent dot. So here again, you could have ridden this down, moved your stop above this as it was moving in your favor, and gotten a good 5 points there. Let me show you a long. Here's a bullish area here. Oops, there we go. Now on this day, if you're a swing trader, I want to show you this. If you would hold overnight, you could have gotten a good 20-point move on a trade like this on your initial entry. Here you've got bullish, bullish. Or if you're a little more conservative, if you're a day trader, you may want to wait for these pullbacks. So in this case, on the close of this bar, before the price was even here, you would have had this dot sitting right there. You could have put your long entry. Price would have come back, taken you in. Beautiful 10-point move. Again, here, and again, you could put your stops and follow them right underneath these dots here, for some great trades. Okay, now in this instance, we've got conflicting signals. You've got, red, gray, red. In that case, it signifies that you could be in a choppy market. Short, you would have gotten out, or you could have gotten out. These are potential exits, possible exits, when the signals are conflicting. So you would have gotten out on these. But here, great moves there. Let's scroll back a little bit, show you some more examples. Beautiful shorts, longs. Now let me show you the Forex and how this would work on a Euro USD. A little bit longer time frame. Let's go for a 60-minute. Very commonly traded is the Euro USD, the Forex. Now the market sentiment indicator is not really relevant unless you're trading the New York session, because really it's a New York session indicator. But still, you've got some extremely powerful moves here. You've got some great signals, shorts, longs, beautiful moves in your favor. Again, your trend strength, you can really get a great visual with these indicators. Again, this is an extremely powerful set of indicators. When you come on board with us, you'll not only get access to the Black Diamond Trader indicators, but also some surprise bonuses, including exclusive access to the Inner Circle Club, where you get tips and tricks about the indicators, as well as a fully automated version of Black Diamond Trader called the Black Diamond Trader Automator, which is just awesome. So we'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.